Are you excited to be in front of again?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite times. We got the same shit though. I got stomach problems.
Can't get that spicy.
Nah.
Grip walking, babe.
Oh, you know, man, just going down. You know, I got the grip. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nigga, this grip, nigga. Nah.
You're crazy. Wearing red.
Hey, man, you feel me? You gotta stay true to the blue, but you gotta add a little red too. Because,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying? Niggas went. No, but
What's going on?
no, but hey, I had a little table. You know, I'm just being funny right now. But no, before your blood hit the surface, you know it's blue, and then it
That's
turn
true.
red. So, oh, bleed them.
Oh, this is beautiful. Are you good? Babe, you're crazy.
I'm crib walking everywhere.
I love you.
Ashton Trey, make sure you follow that page, like, comment, subscribe.
You
all
better.
other things. I was singing the baby.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling like summertime magic. You know, it's real magical out here.
Where are we at? The beautiful beach. The sun went away.
Where the fuck are we at?
Newport or
Oh yeah.
Corona del Mar.
Newport, Corona del. You see, man? I'm telling you, YouTube about to go up, man. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Ashton Trey 143. She loved me, I love her. Hey.
Ooh, babe, I feel like I'm about to slip down this fucking
Right.
thing.
Hey,
Oh, this is beautiful. Babe, look at how blue the ocean is. I think I just... You crip walking? Babe, you look so retarded.
Hey,
Do it again.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all want to know the big dance, it's a new crib walk challenge.
You look so retarded.
Nah, but I'm just trying to be funny. You know, I'm trying to make y'all laugh, man. You feel me? Our YouTube is about all good vibes, you know what I'm saying? We want y'all to feel good. We want y'all to like, subscribe for the show. And we want y'all to just fuck with us. Like we fuck with
Oh,
y'all.
we were here. No, we weren't. Babe, wanna go in that corner over there? Since someone over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's okay. You're welcome. Babe, I gotta get an umbrella and a tent.
Definitely, we do. But we gotta get a big tent. That's what I'm
The water's so pretty. It was stinky. That water's so pretty, huh? Woo, babe.
So, you know, me and baby, like I said, that's why we together too, because neither one of us is afraid to be alone. We all in
Wait,
the corner,
tell them. I don't think they can hear you.
Somebody's phone going on. It's probably mine.
Yeah, mine's my. Oh, it's probably mine. You said that what?
Oh, I was saying that's why me and baby, you know, get along also, because neither one of us is afraid to be alone. You know what I mean? Not like we're going to be alone, but look, we secluded. You feel me? All the people over there, I know y'all feel all these bodies. But they, oh, look at him. Oh, he's on. I'm about to do a backflip too. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Chris Brown.
Hold on, let me do my shit.
Okay, Chris Brown.
Come on.
Okay, Chris.
Bust that shit right here too. This nigga is on. I'm mad right now. I'm ready.
Man, did you do it? I didn't get it. Ah. Woo.
Ah.
Can you do it one more time? Get further back. Go. Be careful, babe. It's a rock right there. I think you should do it right here. Look. Do it over there. Come over here and come over there. Yeah, because I don't want you to hit yourself. I got you. Yeah. Woo! I'm so annoyed. Woo! Woo! Like, who am I?
My face.
Oh, hell no. Do you like the beach?
Oh! Oh! Huh?
Do you like the beach?
Oh, yeah, you know. You over here big chilling. You know what I'm saying?
You ain't letting go of that child. Oh shit.
Yeah, I like this. Oh, I like that. Baby getting a picture of me. I'm getting a picture of baby.
Oh, that's tight. You gotta send that to me, but don't put a filter on it. Just put like Newport Beach on it. Let me see. Let me show the camera.
No caption needed.
Wow, I can't even see it.
Oh, hold on. You
It's
don't.
cool. Just save it, babe.
You probably say it now, though. You see it?
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, that's
Barely.
baby.
That's cool. Alright. He just got this towel on him like he's scared. You scared?
Huh?
You scared?
Nah, I'm not never scared of water. What the fuck? I mean, if we wasn't about
You got
to
this
get...
towel on.
I got the towel on because it's just like a fashion
This feels
statement.
good.
You know what I mean? Just like a fashion statement.
Oh yeah,
I
you looking good, babe.
Just, just over with the glasses.
You gonna go swimming there?
Hell no. I mean, if I wasn't getting in the car in a minute,
I know.
I
Because
would.
we're so thirsty, we just finished our
Right.
dance video.
Hey, so, you know, if I was, you already know, I'd go jump in this water like, wait a minute, I'd do a backflip in this bitch, you know. I'll go through the wave right now. What do you mean? Matter of fact,
Babe, stop.
I'm not gonna do that.
Why do you look so good?
I'm not gonna do that.
Babe, why do you look so fucking good?
Because you did this to me. You be working me out.
I love you. You did do
Do this to me.
Oh shit. Don't drop your phone.
Nah, it's in my pocket.
Alright. Babe, I'm
Man, I
thirsty.
ain't that clumsy.
I'm thirsty, babe.
Whenever you ready, baby.
I'm ready. I need something to drink. Next time we come here, we're gonna come early and we're gonna have drinks, like a cooler or something.
And we definitely gonna have, better outfits now.
Yeah.